Hello, I'm Amy Detjen, and I am doing a promo video for the Fiberside Chat that we're doing on January 9th. And I think it's safe to say that doing promo videos is probably one of my least favorite things to do. I've been procrastinating the entire day, and now I'm losing the sun. It is going down. That's how long I've been procrastinating this. So other things that I procrastinate are finishing knitting, and hence the title of my talk, which is I Don't Knit Sleeves and You Can't Make Me. So I'm going to give you kind of a humorous look into the brain of a procrastinator, and then we're going to talk about other problems that keep us from being fantastic, prolific knitters. And I've got lots of tips and tricks to share with you that are just little tidbits along the way. And then we'll do some questions and answers. People can type in questions, and I'm so looking forward to it. And now that I've done my homework, I think I want a cupcake. Does anybody have a cupcake? Probably not. I hope to see you all on January 9th. Thank you for watching.